So we talked about this, and the key levels that you're always looking at are the February lows, which most people didn't think it was possible to go back and retest those. So let's just map this out. That's 25.32. The big level that we broke and that we breached as of late has been that 2600 level. I'm just going to round that out. It was 2603 October lows. We've been playing back and forth for 200 points in the S&P. So you have your 2800 level right here. So everyone thought we were sort of playing that ping pong ball game back and forth, and seeing which one gains that velocity to break out or break down within the markets. Once we break this level, my thought was that it was going to be a violent drop down to that 2532 level. Basically, we're there right now. The problem I have with this is that everyone is still asking, where do I step in and buy the market? Bottoms aren't formed that way. Bottoms are formed when no one thinks the market is ever going up again. So, go ahead, Wolf.
Well, so we're at 25.39 as we speak. So is this 25.32 not actually that crucial? Either way, you think we're going to go low?
It's crucial. We're going to test it, and we're going into year end. So there could be the bounce ability because most people are going to leave their trading desks and wrap it up for the year. So the quicker we can test this level, maybe you have people say, okay, that's enough for now. Let's figure it out in 2019. But the truth is, there's nothing carved in sand that says that we test this level, we bounce, and everyone's back to business again. So I think the landscape sets up more bearish than bullish at this point.
What is the catalyst? Was there anything today, or is it just this general gloom?
Well, you have trade headlines that are less effective on bouncing us. You have growth that is slowing incredibly. You have the ACA declared unconstitutional. So what's been one of the strong points of the market? Healthcare, you lose that. Utilities, they've been strong. You're sort of losing them for the day. I think utilities are still going to be strong as a safety bet. But the bottom line is when people ask you where they step in and buy the market, they don't believe that all hope is lost. You need to lose all hope to actually have that bottoming process, and people are not panicking yet, even now.
Okay. I will say two factors that the stock market has been worried about: a strong dollar and higher treasury yields. Both are going the other way today.
Yeah.
And yields in general have been.
And one last thing, I don't want to belittle the point when I say there's no panic. There's a lot of funds who have taken a beating that probably aren't going to survive. There's panic in certain spots of the market, but the retail investor still think that markets only go one way, and that's up.